हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज गिरीश तिवारी और आज मैं आपके लिए इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन चैप्टर से कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लेकर आया हूँ। दिस क्वेश्चन हैज़ बीन आस्क्ड इन जेईई मेन 2019. This question is a 10-meter long horizontal wire extends from northeast to southeast. It is falling with a speed of 5 meters per second at right angles to the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. Here given, magnetic field B is equal to 0.3 to 10 raised to minus 4 Weber per meter square. Then the value of induced EMF. As we know that from the motional electromotive force, the EMF solution as E is equal to BLV and here velocity is given 5 meter per second and magnetic field is 10 meter. So putting the value of 0.3 into 10 raised to power minus 4 into length means 10 meter and V means 5. So this will equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 volt, which is the correct option A. This is the required. Again, next question is the self-induced EMF of a coil is 25 volt when the current in it is changed at uniform rate from 10 ampere to 25 ampere in 1 second. The change in the energy of the inductance, the change in the energy of the inductance. इसका मतलब ये क्वेश्चन जेईई मेन 2019 में आया हुआ है. सो द सॉल्यूशन you have to find, as we know that energy stored in the inductor in the coil is E is equal to 1 by 2 Li square. Here current is changed from 10 ampere to 25 in 1 second. So let E2 is the 1 by 2 L and this is current I2 square for current I2 and this is E1 for initial current 10 ampere. So this is equal to 1 by 2 L and this is current I1 square. The difference or the change in the energies will be E2 minus E1 is equal to delta E and you have to find delta E is equal to 1 by 2 L I2 square minus I1 square and this will equal to 1 by 2 L and here I2 means 25 square minus 10 square. Clear? Now to find the delta E, one actually have to find the value of L, as we know that electromotive force E is equal to minus L di by dt. Clear? L di by dt in so here what is the change in the current? The change in the current is equal to 25 minus 10 is equal to 15 ampere in time interval and dt is equal to 1 second. Here this has been given. Clear? So E is equal to 25 volt. So 25 is equal to L into di means 15 by 1. So from this here L is equal to 25 by 15. Now putting this value in this equation, we get this delta E is equal to 1 by 2. L means 25 by 15 into 25 plus 10 and 25 minus 10 is equal to 5 to the 15, 5 to 25. So here 5 by 6 and 25 plus 10 is equal to 35 or into 15. So on solving we get 437.5 joule. So the option A is correct. Next, the question is, in a coil of resistance 100 ohm, a current is induced by changing the magnetic flux through as shown in the figure. The flux through the coil is. यहाँ पर इस क्वेश्चन में करंट और टाइम एक्सिस दिया गया है, इस पर करंट और समय दिखाया गया है। यहाँ पर आपको दिखाना है कि फ्लक्स कितना है। We know that E is equal to d phi by dt, and we also know that I is equal to V upon R, means E by R. Clear? Here E is d phi by dt and this is 1 by R. So flux d phi is equal to IR dt. So to find the net flux we have to integrate, and net flux phi must be equal to integration of IR dt. Here R is the constant and this is IDT. Means R is a constant, means phi actually depends on the current multiplied by the time. So IDT, this flux will be equal to the area covered by the current and time axis. तो यहाँ पर ये एक ट्रायंगल के रूप में है, इसका मतलब इसका जो एरिया होगा इतने पूरे एरिया के बराबर जो हमें मिलेगा वो हमारा रिक्वायर्ड फ्लक्स में चेंजिंग होगा, फ्लक्स होगा। इसलिए फाई इज इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ दिस राइट ट्रायंगल, एंड राइट ट्रायंगल ऑफ इज इक्वल टू 1/2 base means time, this is given 0.5, and current 10 ampere, and this is here R also is multiplied, so R is equal to 100 ohm. Now solving this equation we get this is 5/2 into 100. So this will given to 50 and here 250 Weber. So the option is V is correct.